2016 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, moonroof, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, aluminum wheels, four-wheel drive, floor mats. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.